On her third day on the stand, Roseanne Vanderweel continued to maintain that her main focus in this manslaughter case is to find out what happened to her 15-month-old boy, Nathaniel McLellan. The toddler died in October of 2015, days after being picked up from the babysitter, 46-year-old Megan Van Hoof. At the time, Van Hoof operated an unlicensed daycare in Strathroy. Under cross-examination from the defense, Vanderweel said she received a call from Van Hoof saying that the child had fallen, couldn't hold his head up, and was falling asleep. Asked if Van Hoof was frantic at the time, she responded, "She conveyed to me that he was injured." She went on, "She was concerned. She was not in a frantic state." Questioned about emails she sent police 2 years later in 2017, asking them to charge Van Hoof, Vanderweel told the court, "I began to believe that she may have been responsible, and if that were the case, I did want charges." When pressed further by the defense, she said, "I didn't know what happened. I still don't know what happened. I know my son was in her care, and I know that there was no medical like 911 call made. That's what I had to go on." Nathaniel would later die as a result of a head injury, and 6 years after that, in 2021, Van Hoof would be charged with manslaughter and has pled not guilty. Later, Vanderweel said, "After speaking with doctors, they told me likely it was an assault." The trial resumes on Tuesday. Nick Paparella, CTV News.